Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new product on Gumroad and build an automated traffic system throughout the entire setup process in 2026. Let's get into it. First, define your product and SEO first title. The foundation of your traffic starts with how people find you. In 2026, Gumroad's internal search and Google are more integrated than ever. Click on Products in your dashboard and select New Product. Choose your type, like digital product or course, and name it. Don't just use a creative name, use a searchable title. If you're selling a budget tracker, name it 2026 Monthly Budget Tracker and Financial Planner for Excel. This is your first traffic hook. By including keywords like 2026 and Excel, you are telling search engines exactly who should see your product. This ensures that when someone types those specific terms into Google or Gumroad Discover, your new product is indexed correctly from day one. Next, customize your sales page with benefit-rich keywords. Your product description isn't just a list of features, it's a landing page that needs to rank in search results. In the Product tab, write your description. Use bold headers and bullet points. Mention the pain point you are solving at least 3 times. For example, tired of messy spreadsheets? This 2026 tracker automates your savings. In 2026, SEO is about user intent. When you describe the problem you solve, you capture long-tail traffic, people searching for specific solutions rather than just general products. This makes your Gumroad page a content asset that attracts high-intent buyers for free. Next, upload visual proof to boost conversion and shares. High-quality visuals don't just sell the product, they make your product shareable on visual platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. Go to the Content tab and upload your files. Then back in Product, upload a high-resolution cover, 1280 by 720, and a thumbnail. And that's pretty much it. To restore a deleted transaction in 2026, go to your audit log, filter for deleted or voided transactions, and click View to see the original details. Then simply use the plus New button to manually re-enter the information exactly as it was, and check your reports to make sure everything is back in balance. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.